Hello guys, today I will be talking to you about my experience with this EOS lip balm I have right here. Now for those who don't know, EOS stands for evolution of smooth, and I guess that's the point, it's a lip balm. This is what it looks like. Very, very easy to use. You just twist it like that, and those line up themselves. It's the bottom, top. This is the shape of it. It's very round. It just has a flat top, so it can basically help. And this is made out of plastic. This can hear it. Now it's not fragile at all. You could drop it, probably get scratches if you put it in a bag with something else, but no biggie. And so I'm gonna put this up. So I've been using this and knowing about it for about 2 years now, and I've kept my loyalty to it. It's been really good to me, and it's just, I just think it's so original. And one of my favorite things about it is it comes in so many flavors, I guess, not flavors, sorry about just smells and all that. Here is the texture. It's very smooth. There you go. It always comes off around like that. That's the inside of it. It's so simple to use. So about this, I basically knew about it just because it came up on a phone ad. I really do remember it like that. It just came up on my phone, and I thought it was super weird looking at first, and I didn't know if it was maybe a lipstick stain or something like that. So I just decided to try it out, and I realized it was a lip balm, and I was even more happier because I don't do lipstick that much and stuff. So good. So the way I use it is I use it daily. Okay, now I don't know your makeup routine, but for my makeup routine, I like to prime my lips before I do it. So I definitely use it before any lipstick or any colored lip gloss or anything like that. Basically a primer, a base for it to stay longer and so your lips stay hydrated. And in fact, the three top ingredients for this is vitamin E, shea butter, and jojoba oil. Basically every, how do I say, every scent is 100% natural. Let's see, which one was this again? Oh yes, this was obviously coconut shea butter, and it is gluten-free, it is animal cruelty-free, and this is super long-lasting. You don't have to apply it that much, I don't know how much you guys like to have on, but even if you do like it to be heavy on you, you still don't have to apply it. Just make sure you apply it heavy if that's the way you like it, and you don't have to worry. If you like it light, just give it a light one, and then if you do apply that, just apply another light one. But I haven't found myself having to apply this other chapsticks that I use, that you just reapply, and it in fact sometimes even dries it out more, but not this at all. In fact, it leaves such a really not that you can use it as a lip gloss, but sometimes if I'm just I'm just walking out the home real quick and stuff like this, I will toss this in my bag. Like I said, it's very small. I will take this with me everywhere. It's in every country. You can take it with you in your luggage or bag. It's too big to put in your pocket, but you can definitely even just carry it with you if you're going somewhere real quick or anything like that. Definitely don't leave it in the car it is a chapstick, so you wouldn't want it to melt and reshape, I have gifted this before, and I believe this is some woman or man made this as a gift, I think. And this is so useful. It's literally a chapstick, and it's one of the best ones I've known. The formula is just so good. It's 100% natural, cruelty free, and it doesn't leave a stain. And I know especially men don't like that stain. I know some women don't either, and it leaves no bad stain on it. Even the ones with shimmer, I know they do have some in shimmer. They have so many choices of this now, and I'm pretty sure they've even collabed with other like brands maybe to make even more designs, and they're just so cute. They all, not all of them come like this pattern. Most of them, I know their first ones were just a plain color, and this one happens to be one of the pattern ones. They come in really cute. They come in plain ones, whatever you're looking for. I've tried at least 3 of them. So I tried a lemon one, a mint one, and the shea butter one, and I would say this is my favorite one. The mint one is so good as well. I just suggest maybe trying out like 2 or 3 just because like they're all so good, but you'll definitely have your favorite, whether like you like a certain type of taste or like, a certain type of, smell or taste on your lip. It's not like an aggravating smell at all. It just smells, like nice smell and stuff like that. It doesn't smell plasticky or anything like that. At least I've experienced that myself. Like sometimes chapsticks will just smell plastic or anything like that and just like so fake, and I definitely like recommend this just for the smell, the texture, the long lasting wear. It's 100% natural. Like I mentioned, it was gluten free and animal cruelty free, and it's just so, it's very small. This is, by the way, this is a 0.25 ounce one. Well, they all come in this size, and I just heavily recommend this brand, and I hope you guys found this useful. I hope you guys enjoy this. Thank you.